Hello everyone, my name is Mustafa and I am going to show you the easiest way to install or upgrade Node.js on all Linux machines. This method I am going to show you is going to work for all precompiled packages with a bin folder, with a folder including executables. Okay, let's grab the installation links, the download links from nodejs.org. First, I'm going to install 16.15.0 version, and then we will upgrade to 18. So let's copy this link here. Let's access our terminal, cd downloads, change directory to downloads, use okay, I'm going to I previously downloaded and installed, but I'm going to delete everything. Now nothing's here. We use this command to download the package. While this package is being downloaded, I am going to grab the other link, new tab, we get. Okay, let's see. Okay, our package is ready. I'm going to unarchive using tar command, extract the file, node. Okay, I have a typo here. Let's just use E. Okay, extract. Okay. Let's cd to nodejs and let's cd. Okay, one important point is this Linux machine. This is Manjaro XFCE desktop environment, and it's freshly new installed, so there is no previous node installation. You can see command not found. But if we switch to the bin folder, this is the bin folder of this just unarchived folder, and we can see this node file here with execution permission. You can execute this file like this, and it tells you that it's the 16.15.0 version. But outside this folder, I cannot access node. You see, node command not found. So let's assign a particular space on our disk to node executables. Executives nodejs. I'm going to make this directory on my root, and cd executives, okay, nodejs. And I'm going to copy recursively everything downloaded here to this place. Okay, let's check it. Okay, everything is here. cd win pwd gives us the path, and I'm going to add this path to the machine executives path. Okay, I'm going to edit bash rc and add the following to my export path. Very nice. And write and quit. Very nice. Now you should know editing bash rc file is not enough. You cannot still access node just after editing the bash rc. You can see the command is still not found, but you can tell the OS to reread the bash rc like this, and I should have enabled node path. Yes, you can see we successfully added node to our path here. You can check the version. It's 16.15.0. But to upgrade, we are going to upgrade our nodejs from 16.15 to 18.0.0. Here is the other unarchived package. Let's I didn't unarchive this one. First we are going to unarchive and then grab the path pwd. We didn't need the path anymore. We just need to copy and rewrite the content on our executive path here. Okay, this is going to be cp recursively downloads nodejs 18 everything. Okay, now it's going to copy everything here. Okay, let's check it. Yes, you can see the version here now is 18.0.0, and we are going to check if outside this path we can still access nodejs. We should tell the OS to reread bash rc and yes, we successfully upgraded our node. Thank you for watching my video, and hopefully you enjoyed and I would have helped you. Thank you.